I've been trying to do this video for over an hour, and every time I press start, my cat comes over to me. It's as soon as I start talking, it's, oh. I'm gonna cry. Stop. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Marie DeVere, and I make weekly videos all about curly hair care. Okay, so today I wanted to talk about 7 curly hair products that are absolutely essential when starting your curly hair journey. These are products that I used when I first started the Curly Girl method, and they are my tried and true. I use them every week, on the daily, depending on the product. So let's get right into it. This first product we're gonna talk about is this detangling brush. Now this has been super duper popular. If you're on Instagram, if you follow any other curly haired YouTubers, you see everyone has this brush, and for good reason. There are 8 columns, and each column has about 17 bristles. They're all plasticky, silicone-y, and it comes with this, sorry, my cat scared me. It comes with this little bracket right here. Now, this is just what's really cool, because when this is on, it's like a regular brush, right? Like it's not moving too much. But when you take it off, you get this. Bam. So because this is so flexible, it helps prevent breakage. And how you use this is after you put your conditioner on in the shower, what you're first gonna do with your hair is brush your hair downwards, obviously starting at the bottom. So starting at the bottom and kind of working your way up, and then finishing by going like this. So vertical, horizontal. And it just detangles so easily. Every curly girl in the world needs a scalp massager. I got this guy on Amazon, and game changer. It is, I feel so luxurious when I use this thing, I swear to God. So what I do is I'll put in my cleanser or shampoo, whatever you use, and then just give myself a nice scalp massage for just, honestly, not that long. I'm not going for like 10 minutes because no. So I'll just like go section by section. And what this does is as you're going in circular motions all around your scalp, it's helping lift all of that buildup off of your scalp, giving your hair follicles a chance to breathe again, and then it's getting rid of the dead skin cells. So that way you're not going to experience hair loss or breakage. Every curly girl should be deep conditioning her hair at least once a week. And when I deep condition my hair, I make it a full-on salon experience for myself. So what I like to do is I'll put in my hair mask, and then I will put on a heating cap. What is so great about using a heat cap is that the heat helps your hair open up to accept all of the moisture, all of the protein that the deep conditioning hair mask that you're using has to offer. It'll help your hair be shiny. Again, it will help prevent breakage, just all of these really great things. So that's why I recommend a heat cap anytime you deep condition. Okay, so you have cleansed your scalp, you've detangled your hair, you've deep conditioned with your heat cap. Now you're done, you're getting out of the shower, and your hair is just soaking wet. I recommend using a microfiber towel to dry your hair. This is a 20 by 40, it doesn't even fit in the frame, light gray towel that was about 12, 13 bucks on Amazon. Let me just tell you, life-changing. I've been using cotton t-shirts for years, literal years, and I've added this guy about 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago. And the difference is insane. Now, if you're new to starting your curly hair journey, you might be wondering, cotton t-shirt, microfiber, what's now? When you are starting the curly girl method or just starting your curly hair journey in general, regular towels can cause a lot of friction on your hair. The fabric can really, it's not as slippery as, say, a microfiber towel, and the fabric can really hook onto your individual hair strands and cause your hair to frizz. Also, it's not as absorbent as a microfiber towel. This absorbs water like nobody's business. It saves you time, and it's just nice to have a dedicated towel specifically for drying my hair instead of using 10 different t-shirts, and then my laundry is just insane. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend a microfiber towel. Absolute must have when you're starting your curly hair journey. So after I towel dry my hair with a microfiber towel or a t-shirt, but now that I have the microfiber towel, I'm not going back. I like to style my hair. What can happen sometimes is my hair gets a little bit too dry for styling, and so I need to re-wet my hair, because putting like, a leave-in conditioner, a gel, or a mousse on your hair when it's dry, not helpful. You're just gonna have frizzy hair with product on it that does nothing for you. So I like to use a spray bottle. I used to have one from Target that was just like the simple one, but I've since upgraded to this sleek black one. And what's great about this is when you pull down on the handle, it releases a mist. So it's not like a straight shot of water that's just gonna soak one part of your hair. It's gonna, let me see if do I have water in it? Yeah, I do. So when you hold down on the bottle, it releases a mist, and that covers your entire head basically. So it's not too much water on just one part of your hair. You're getting even distribution throughout. It's so perfect when you're styling your hair. That was the whole point. That's why I recommend it. It's perfect. Instead of getting your hands wet with water in the sink and then just going through it again and then applying product, just buy the bottle. It'll save you so much time, so much energy, and your hair is gonna turn out fabulous, I promise. I know you know about it, I know, but in case you haven't gotten it and you're kind of like, is it worth it? Is it? Get it. It is the DENMAN brush. I know everyone and their mother has it. Everyone and their mother talks about it, but it is really just a great little brush. Mine has the 5 columns with the bristles, and this is just so perfect when styling your hair. After I put in my leave-in conditioners, I'll go in with this brush and just really define my curls, especially the hair up here, because it tends to want to like stay down. So it really helps give me just a bit of volume, but also it makes sure that product is distributed evenly throughout my hair. Okay, so you have done everything on your wash day. You have done your scalp massage, used your cleansers, used your leave-ins, your deep treatments, and you've dried your hair, you've styled your hair. How are you gonna protect your curls at night? You can either 1, not, or 2, get yourself a satin bonnet. It looks like this. I got it in this like really beautiful burgundy color. Not like anyone else is gonna see me in it, but still. It has this elastic band around it, so it's secure to your head, and then all of your curls are in the satin portion of it, so your curls are just slipping and not causing friction, which will, cause frizz. I love it. I think if you are not a satin pillowcase kind of girl, go for the satin cap / bonnet. It's just amazing for keeping your curls intact. So when you wake up in the morning, you have beautiful curl, day 2 curls, day 3 curls, day 7, I don't care, because nothing's happening to your curls when they are in this. All right, this final product that I think is so overlooked when starting your curly hair journey are satin scrunchies. These are absolutely amazing. And I mean, I've tried tons and tons of different ponytails, those random clip thingies, and these are just perfect. And they come in so many different colors. So when you have satin hair ties, whether it's these big ones or these small ones, they will prevent your hair from getting stuck on the hair tie and then breaking off, which is something we want to avoid by all means necessary. So for example, let's just do a quick little, we'll do like a quick little pineapple. My pineapple's not as cool as other people's because I don't have that much hair yet, but it's up there, and then I can just, there's no hair on this satin hair tie. That's what I love. That's what I like to see. I don't want any more breakage. I want to be comfortable putting my hair up and knowing that when I take it down, my curls are still going to look amazing and aren't going to be all frizzy. That is it, you guys. 7 products that are absolutely essential when starting your curly hair journey. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, Leave a comment down below about what your favorite product is, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you next Wednesday. Column, and then there's also, no! Oh, she yawned. I have the cutest cat. Say hello to the people. That's my baby, and ain't nobody gonna touch her. Okay, she don't want to touch me. That's fine. About 17 little teethies, or little, what are these called? Yeah, the little teeths. Bristles. They're called bristles. Teeth. I should get, there's no excuse. I'm not even drinking wine. I should know the word. Those silicone bristles. These ones actually look like teeth, okay? They look like sharp shark teeth, okay? Okay, it's almost out of water. But when you hold down and you press down on the handle, like, you know, oh, let's not do that at the phone. Marie, come on, use your brain.